No girl likes to get their clothes stained. I got stained when I was dancing at a party.
I feel like my back is hurting me, my tummy, I'm not okay.
I was out with my friends and then I found my pants full of blood.
Some of the important things girls need to know about periods is that you can't control the day it comes, so always be prepared. Have your kits with you.
They can have sanitary towels in there, maybe extra undies, just to make them prepared.
This will be in the back, so the girl, it will not be confused if that thing happens, and she can use it easily.
When I was young, the only thing we had back in Egypt was pads. It's different age, different generation, so it's different everything. If you are happy with it, introduce them the tampons. If you are very comfortable, take them with you and show them how to use it.
Nowadays, they are period undies. It's padded. It's really useful during period time.
Another thing is you might get cramps. I think that was a shocker, that I would really be in that much pain and I'll have to take painkillers.
My main advice is don't make them feel shame. Even if you were raised like that, try to see how life is now.
There are resources online, in libraries and in different places.
It was really useful when I went for a workshop with family planning. There were more information that they have in books in many different languages, and also you can request them from the family planning.
For more information on body changes and periods, visit the Know Your Health website at fpnsw.org.au/know-your-health and click on the Periods tab, or call the Family Planning New South Wales Talkline on 1300 658 886 for free and confidential advice. If you want to speak to someone in your language, call the Translating and Interpreting Service on 13 14 50 and ask to be connected to Family Planning New South Wales Talkline.